Ladies and gentlemen, please don't panic. I'm not going to sing Spirit in the Sky as long as you behave yourselves. Because one way or another, this band are going to get a proper introduction here at the Albert Hall. What a perfect venue to celebrate their 40th anniversary. But tonight, we are not just celebrating their 40th anniversary. A lot of you people, you're like me, you're old and you're wrinkly. You are celebrating your relationship with this most wonderful British band over 40 years. And it's not always been easy, has it? By rights, this should never happen. How many fucking times have they split up? The Royal Albert Hall banned them in 1977. I myself have been to 2 farewell gigs, ladies and gentlemen. Thank God they didn't mean it, because they are still here. They are still performing. They are still creating. They are still recording. They still are, and they always will be, The Damned. how did we get here?